Welcome to The Style That Binds Us. I'm Allison Brune and this is my daughter Delia, and together we make up The Style That Binds Us. We're a media company. We have videos, we have a podcast where we interview industry insiders. We discuss all things fashion and style. We give you style tips and we talk about the new trends that are coming up. And we also are a place where you can ask questions and get more information about subjects such as, if you want to land a job in the fashion industry, how in the world would you even begin?
Yeah, that was one of the reasons I started my blog, was because so many people are constantly asking myself or my mom, so-and-so would love to work in the fashion industry. Can they talk to Delia for a couple of minutes? And I barely have time to sleep at this point. So I wanted to be able to have a platform where I can speak about all of those things. So on the website, I created a free guide called How to Get Into the Fashion Industry Workbook, followed by a more in-depth guide that is the ultimate guide to landing your dream job in the fashion industry. And we've gotten such a great response from both of those that we are so excited to announce we are going to launch a course and really build this out and go deeper. We're hard at work on this course currently, but let us know if you have any questions or if there's definitely something you want to make sure that we answer in case we didn't even think about it. So thank you so much for watching this video today and joining in on The Style That Binds Us. You definitely need to join and we can keep you updated with when this course is launching. You'll be the first to know that it is up and ready for your view.
Information. Thanks so much. Bye.